Hey guys, how to change icons for folders and files on your Mac. It's pretty simple, let's get started. For example, I want to change the icon for application folder, right click on it, and then get info. Next, I press three dots, then open a new tab, and a new tab, choose picture, folder, and find the icon for your folder. It can be any image. I found a Visual Studio Code icon for Visual Studio Code folder, then right click on it, copy, or you can use shortcut Command+C. Next, return to our folder info, then pay attention, click on this folder icon, and next press shortcut Command+V. And we have the new icon for our folder. Return to our folder with folders, and we have a new image new icon for our VS Code folder. And in the same way, we can change the icon on the files. Choose the file, right click on it, get info, next find the icon for our file. For example, it will be this icon, Command+C, then return to info, click on this icon and press Command+V. And we have a new icon for our file. Let's see what it looks like. Return to our folder and we see the new icon for our file. And how to reset a new icon to default: open Info, select this icon, and after that press Delete or Back button on your Mac. And we have the default icon for this file. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you soon.